You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, how do you say this word? The absolutely complete correct pronunciation, chutzpah, but often the ch sound at the beginning is replaced with an H and pronounced in English as chutzpah. Hut, a little bit like a hut, spa, chutzpah. So the second syllable might be a bit more open, a chutzpah or chutzpah, depending on the local accent. Chutzpah or chutzpah or chutzpah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.